Yay! So our Embark dog DNA test stuff has come in. We've got results. It says he is 100% American Pit Bull Terrier. Says that his genetic age is 22 human years. Predicted adult weight is 68 pounds, but he's actually 50 pounds. He's not, I don't want him that heavy. He'd be obese if he were that heavy. Health. Let's see. It shows carrier, which means he's a carrier for, I have no idea how to pronounce that, but it's a kidney bladder situation that this condition causes kidney and bladder stones composed of urate. If caught early, it is responsive to dietary management. So, that should be easy to avoid and so on, since he's, raw fed. And then common conditions, he is clear across the board for the rest of the stuff. Other conditions, 167 things, he's clear. Family tree shows American Pit Bull Terrier as far back as great-grandparents. And I'm sure even further than that if they were to go beyond that. Traits, has all these traits. This is summary. Basically, I had these photos uploaded. That's his puppy, AKC Star Puppy shadow box thing. There's his UKC pedigree papers. There's him. And the nosodes titer test thing. I used nosodes for parvo, distemper, and adenovirus, and those they consider low, but low is, he's just not encountered as very many at that time, I guess. Low does not mean that he's at risk of anything. It means he's still immune. And yes, the antibodies levels will climb if he encounters those diseases, and will lower when he doesn't encounter. It doesn't mean he's not immune or sufficiently immune. You just can't really, and then rabies vaccine titer part of things shows that he's immune at the internationally accepted level of immunity, which is really good. There's his business card. I hand that out only if I am not sure somebody heard me list off his tasks, or they don't understand what is allowed and so on. It's not required to hand out. And then there's his UKC papers again, one of them, and there's some Canine Good Citizen, Canine Good Citizen Advanced, Canine Good Citizen Urban. We haven't earned this one. We're going to this spring, though, hopefully before his second birthday. And then this is the farm dog. The farm dog is similar to the other things, but it's like the CGC for farm dogs, basically. There's his parents, and that's all of that. Then it allows documents, and there's his letter of exemption, and letter of exemption here, and the titer test results there, and voila. Yep. Pretty cool. I love that I can actually have all that information on this. Alright, later y'all.